Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, power steering, backup camera, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, home link garage door opener, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.